Hello, today I'm in Honda HR-V. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel. In the beginning, let's take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. This panel allows us to enable or disable cruise control. We can set also limiter, increase speed limit, decrease it, or increase the speed on the cruise control. Next, we've got the panel on the left side, thanks to which we can manage the radio. If you press this button, you can switch between the navigation, phone, or audio display. This button allows you to manage current category. And next, thanks to these buttons, we can increase the radio volume, switch radio stations, or switch the radio source. Then we've got this panel right here, thanks to which we can answer the call, decline the call, or enable voice assistant. And the last panel is located right here, thanks to which we can navigate through speedometer display and manage it. Also, if you press right here, you'll use horn. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.